In the second question, I have to find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of these four given polynomials. So let's first start with the first one. P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. So let's find out for this polynomial, let's find out P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. So P of 0 will be, instead of y, we substitute 0. So 0 square minus 0 plus 1. So P of 0 will be 1. Then P of 1 will be 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So that's 1 minus 1 cancels. So you only have 1. So P of 1 is also 1. And then P of 2 is 2 square, that's 4, minus 2. So that's 2 plus 1. So P of 2 is equal to 3. Now let's calculate the same P0, P1, P2 for the second part, Pt. So P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. So let's find out P0, P1 and P2. So P0 will be equal to 2, and then this t becomes 0, 2t square becomes 0 and minus t cube becomes 0. So P of 0 will be equal to 2. And whenever you have a polynomial where there are a number of terms involving the variable, and if you substitute 0, then you can quickly write all of the terms involving the variables as 0. So only the constant term remains. So P of 0 is 2. Then let's calculate P of 1. So P of 1 will be 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2t square. So t square is 1 and 2t square is 2. So 2 plus 1. So actually let me just write this down. So P of 1 will be 2 plus 1 plus 2 times 1 square. So that's 2 minus t cube. So that's 1 cube or 1. So this is equal to 4. And then let's find out P of 2. So P of 2 will be equal to 2 plus t, that's 2, plus 2t square. So 2 into 2 square. So that's 8 minus t cube minus 2 cube. So that's 8 again. So P of 2 is also equal to 4. Now let's go to the third part. P of x equal to x cube. So P of x is equal to x cube. And let's find out P0, P1 and P2. So P0 will be equal to 0 cube or 0. P1 will be equal to 1 cube or 1. P2 will be equal to 2 cube or 8. And now finally let's go to the fourth part, which is P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. And if you want, you can also write this as, by multiplying, you can write this as x square minus 1. It doesn't really matter. So now let's find out P0, P1 and P2. So P0 will be 0 square minus 1, that's minus 1. P1 will be 1 square minus 1, that's 0. And P2 will be 2 square minus 1 or 4 minus 1 or 3. So these are the answers to the 4 parts of this problem. Now let's go to the next question of the exercise. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.